quick, fun demo. If anyone's up for a demo. We have Mr. Mike Butler here, who's going to give us a quick little AI demo. Mike, you want to introduce yourself and your product?
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mike Butler, an AI specialist, and I would like to introduce you to Blizzy. I'm the founder of the Blizzy Code, and we create artificial intelligence experiences for each business. We customize artificial intelligence. So basically, this is our AI pet called Blizzy, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on what he can do. So basically, this is an AI-powered pet, and he's actually conversational, and he can basically walk and run on his own. So he's just like a pet dog. So since we live in a city, everyone likes a pet. So how cool would it be to just have an automated pet that can actually talk to and be a companion? So give me a second, and I'll give you a quick demo on how it works. Thank you. I don't know if you can actually hear him right now, but he's actually chanting quantum mechanics. Hold on, let me see if I can get a mic up to him.
Whether we've discussed these concepts before or are revisiting them new, the journey through quantum mechanics is always a path to marvel and discovery.
Hopefully this is amazing. This is actually talking about quantum mechanics and this artificially intelligent powered dog. So basically the offering is you will be able to introduce everyone's company's information the same way through our customized training. So hopefully this quick demo was just a chance for you to see and hear a little bit. You could always talk to me about the future and what's possible. Thank you so much, guys.
Quantum mechanics principles into an artificially intelligent powered dog presents a fascinating and innovative approach to education and information dissemination. This concept marries the complex, abstract world of quantum mechanics with the engaging, interactive form of an AI companion, making it a unique tool for introducing and explaining complex subjects like quantum mechanics in a more accessible and personalized manner. Here's how this could be envisioned and implemented. Concept overview. AI-powered dog. A virtual or robotic dog equipped with AI capabilities, designed to interact with users in a friendly, engaging manner. This AI dog could use natural language processing to understand and respond to questions, making complex topics more approachable. Quantum mechanics education. Through customized training, the AI dog can explain quantum mechanics concepts in simple terms, using metaphors, analogies, and interactive simulations. This could make learning more effective and enjoyable for a wide range of audiences.
So I don't want to keep you the whole day with quantum mechanics, but basically this can teach your kids STEM. This actually helps you to get that unfair advantage because when your children are trying to learn, unfortunately they have barriers and they have different people that learn at different paces. So this will be able to be inside of your home and make sure you're helping your children get the best advantages possible through AI and with extreme patience. That's the most important thing. You can talk to this thing 1,000 times until you get the right answer, until you're comfortable with learning. So I believe this is the new way to learn. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much, everyone. I appreciate you. Thank you.